Hi and welcome to this Blueberry Markets video update with me, John Kibler, head currency analyst. In this video, we're going to go through the Forex market wrap. We're going to see what's been happening for the end of the month as well as the end of the week. So this is end of month. Usually we do get a couple of impulsive moves towards the end of the month. Obviously the US session hasn't quite begun just yet, so we could still see those moves, but I just want to cover what we were focusing on for the week and how those have panned out. So pound yen, for instance, was a chart that we were looking to buy, which has hit full targets now. Nice 2-to-1, 2% return for us just through there. That's really helped us with a couple of losses from last week, so really good move through here. Pound yen really on the cards for the one to be a buy this week. Really like the idea of buying this alongside pound, with that bit of pound strength, and yeah, we've seen that impulse nicely come through here. Kiwi was also a big one that we wanted to be a seller of. Kiwi Swiss, we're still just in this one, nearly to full targets here as well, just letting this one play out. There's no rush to close this one or do anything to it. You may want to bring stops just above these highs if you want to reduce some risk on that, but ultimately we're looking for that Kiwi downside, and we can see on the weekly time frame we continue to get that, which is brilliant. I mean, we had a bit of a spike up in Kiwi strength yesterday, but even if we just look at the daily time frame on Kiwi US dollar, it's just as soon as that opened, really we had a short spike up, but the rest of the day has just been pretty much bearish for Kiwi in general. I really like the fact that the market's kind of consolidating up here on Kiwi dollar. If we go to that weekly time frame, you can see we're starting just to see a low ranging candle at this resistance zone, which is brilliant. This is what we really want to see for that Kiwi weakness going into next week. So I'm still going to be focusing on that really. It's obviously going to have lost a little bit on the strength and weakness table because Euro Kiwi has pushed higher as we anticipated. We've got pound Kiwi has also rallied higher, change in cyclicity. So Kiwi is going to be very, very vulnerable going into next week, especially against some of the slightly weaker currencies. Kiwi CAD did break above these highs, but looks to be a bit of a false breakout. Wasn't my favourite chart, to be honest. I did want to see some continuation here before we got short here, and yeah, CAD's been a little bit weak as well, so that's why we're getting this consolidation. And like I said, I like to trade trends, and there's no trend here at the moment. It's just consolidation. There's no point in getting involved with that market. Kiwi Swiss was one of my favorites because it was in a little bit of a trend. Even that 4-hour was doing pretty well as well, with the market making lower highs and lower lows quite nicely just through here, which was really great. So looking for the market to kind of come down into that 6030 is our target, which was just a 1-to-1 we were looking for. So really expecting that continuation through there. Kiwi yen hasn't quite made the cut for us, just because looking at the daily time frame, and this is why I like looking at the daily time frame. Look at that low ranging candle there. Wasn't a very definitive breakout of this low, was it? So you know, that to me shied me away from trading this market. We've then had a bullish day. This keeps me away, and this is why I like following daily closes, because if we had broken through and closed lower, then yeah, great, I'd be continuing to sell this market. But because the market only just gave us a low ranging candlestick, that's not good enough for us to want to get involved here. We've got that bullish candlestick there, and yeah, just not good enough for me to get short on Kiwi and just yet. Yen CAD very weak at the moment. We know that because pound yen rallied to target. Euro yen's pushed to the upside as well, which is another market I quite liked this week, going higher. So you know, there's lots of currencies starting to shape up, especially that New Zealand weakness, which is what we've been focusing on mainly for this week. So that's probably likely going to be the same going into next week. So I hope you've enjoyed the content this week. I hope it's really helped you with your trading. If it has, please leave a comment down below. What was your trade of the week? Let me know, and I will catch you very soon. Cheers guys, have a good weekend.